This is the tiniest bird. It's out on the back of my house. Oh, maybe it's hungry. Gonna give it some bread. Little bit, don't touch it, okay?
Cute bird.
Oh my goodness, don't touch it, okay? Baby bird.
Baby, come here, baby.
It's alright.
Oh, it's okay. Mama, good bird. It's okay. Okay. Okay, mommy.
It is.
It is. But you find the bird. Where it comes, bird.
Oh, thank you, Josie.
It's a big habit. And it's so cute to come back. So, no one walk here. Look. What's that? Kitty. Bird. Bubblegum. Mama, bubblegum. I can walk inside. Bird, back. Bird, I got shoes. I can walk. Yeah, don't talk.
It's so tired. It just wants to sleep next to my food.
See my mommy.
Little bird.
What happened? Oh, cute. You can play that. Yes, you can. Wait for that.
Oh, there it goes. Hey, where you going, huh? Where you going, little guy?
Glass. What's your mama?
Come on, little fella. Where are you off to? Oh, I know. You just want your mama. Oh, little guy.
Very cute, Mama. Very cute. Wait. Look at little bird.
Just wants to snuggle next to my foot.
Bird.
Hi, little guy. Now he's in a little box here in the house. Got some water.
Little guy.